Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. A modern stilt house, where nature meets design. The modern wooden stilt house stands as a testament to the harmonious interplay between human ingenuity and the natural world. Elevated above the ground, surrounded by a verdant lawn, and framed by towering coconut trees and a majestic mountain, this architectural form offers a unique and sustainable living experience. The essence of this design lies in its ability to seamlessly integrate with its environment. The stilt foundation, a traditional architectural element, has been reimagined for contemporary living. It not only protects the house from flooding but also creates a dynamic interplay between the structure and the ground. The surrounding coconut trees, iconic symbols of tropical paradises, provide shade, privacy, and a touch of exotic allure. Meanwhile, the lawn, a classic element of Western landscaping, offers a sense of familiarity and tranquility. The mountain, a constant backdrop, instills a profound connection to nature. The house itself is a celebration of wood, a material that exudes warmth and character. Its use in both the structure and interior design creates a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Large windows and sliding glass doors blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, maximizing the connection to the natural surroundings. The open-plan layout encourages a free flow of movement and enhances the sense of spaciousness. Sustainability is inherent in this design concept. The use of wood, a renewable resource, reduces the environmental impact of construction. The elevated position promotes natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. Additionally, the integration of the house with its natural surroundings can contribute to biodiversity and ecosystem preservation. Beyond its ecological benefits, the modern wooden stilt house offers an unparalleled quality of life. The combination of privacy, natural light, and breathtaking views creates a serene and inspiring living environment. It is a place where one can truly connect with nature while enjoying the comforts of contemporary living. A modern stilt house. Nature's embrace. The modern wooden stilt house, nestled amidst a canopy of coconut trees, a sprawling lawn, and a majestic mountain backdrop, presents a unique opportunity to harmonize human habitation with the natural world. This architectural form is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between design and environment. The house's foundation, elevated on stilts, is crucial to its character. This design element not only protects the structure from flooding but also creates a dynamic interplay between the building and the ground. The space beneath the house can be transformed into a versatile area, serving as a shaded parking area, an outdoor living room, or even a home office. The wooden structure, ideally crafted from sustainable materials, should complement the natural surroundings. Large glass windows and sliding doors are essential to capture the breathtaking views and allow ample natural light to illuminate the interior. The exterior facade should be a minimalist expression of modern design. Clean lines, geometric shapes, and a muted color palette will create a contemporary aesthetic that contrasts yet complements the organic beauty of the surroundings. The use of local materials, such as bamboo or rattan, can further integrate the house with its environment. The lawn, a classic element of Western landscaping, provides a soft, green canvas that accentuates the house's architectural form. Coconut trees, with their swaying fronds and iconic silhouette, offer shade, privacy, and a tropical ambience. The interior design should reflect the outdoor environment. An open floor plan maximizes the feeling of spaciousness and allows for a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living areas. Natural materials, such as wood, stone, and rattan should dominate the interior palette. Large windows and sliding glass doors create a visual connection with the surrounding landscape, blurring the boundaries between inside and out. The house's orientation is crucial to optimize natural light, ventilation, and energy efficiency. Careful consideration should be given to the placement of living spaces in relation to the sun's path. Cross ventilation can be employed to create a cooling breeze, reducing the need for air conditioning. In conclusion, the modern wooden stilt house is more than just a dwelling. It is a holistic response to the site's natural attributes. By carefully considering the relationship between the house and its surroundings, architects and designers can create a truly exceptional and sustainable living space. Are you dreaming of a tropical escape? Join us as we explore the stunning design of a modern, small wooden stilt house. Immerse yourself in the beauty of coconut trees swaying in the breeze, a lush green lawn, and a breathtaking mountain backdrop. Discover how this unique architecture seamlessly blends with nature. Get inspired by innovative design ideas and practical tips for your own dream home. Don't miss this opportunity to experience the perfect harmony of modern living and natural beauty. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.